Let's learn how to create this. First, we need to add a background image. You can also use the reference image that we used in this video. You can find the link in the description and the pinned comment. This image size is not suitable for the slide size, so we need to crop it. Select the image, then click on Crop in the right corner under the Picture Format tab. Then select 16:9 under the Aspect Ratio option. Now apply it and resize the image to fit the slide. Now we need to duplicate the image to create a blur panel. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate. Then make the duplicated image smaller than the slide size. Then align it to the center. Now let's create the blur panel. Select the duplicated image, then go to the Picture Format tab and click Artistic Effects, then select the blur effect. Now click on Corrections to adjust the blur effect settings. Select suitable brightness and contrast levels as needed. Now we need to make rounded corners. Go to the Crop menu again and select Crop to Shape, then select Rounded Rectangle. We can adjust the blur amount in the blurred panel. Right-click the duplicated image, then select Format Picture. Expand Artistic Effects. Now adjust the radius to change the blur amount. Now our blur panel is done. Let's add other content to make the slide more beautiful. I added a bird image in the reference image. It has a background color, so we can remove it using PowerPoint's built-in Remove Background option. Use the Mark Areas to Remove tool if PowerPoint doesn't detect the image background properly. Now let's align the image and position it properly on the slide. So now let's add text content to make it more nice. Duplicate the current slide to make the animation smoother. Then select the first slide and move the bird image and text outside the slide. Next, add a welcome text to the first slide. Then press Ctrl+C to copy the welcome text and paste it to the second slide. Remember, on the second slide, welcome text should be outside the slide. Finally, select both slides and add the morph transition. So this is the final output as you saw at the beginning of the video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any issues, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.